Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a 2560 by 1440 canvas and immediately mark the safe area of 1546 by 423 so key elements stay visible. Once done, import your main logo and character render on separate layers. Make sure to set PNGs at high quality. You should pick two contrasting neon gradient colors and place them on gradient layers behind the subject. While you work, name every layer and lock background elements so you don't accidentally move them during composition. Now focus on the central layout. Position the logo and player render inside the safe area and align them for visual balance. You want a clear focal point, so add an outer stroke of 4 to 8 pixels to the logo and duplicate that layer for a stronger glow effect. Once duplicated, apply screen blending to light accents and overlay to color-rich textures so they pop. Then use adjustment layers, like hue/saturation, and curves to match the overall neon mood without blowing out highlights. Finish by refining contrast and adding subtle vignette to guide the eye. Export at the highest quality your platform allows. You should save a PNG master and a compressed JPG under 2 MB for upload. Once exported, preview the banner on desktop and mobile, making sure critical text and faces sit within the safe area. Adjust and re-export if needed. If the image appears soft after upload, re-export the source PNG at 300 dpi, apply a light sharpen filter, then recompress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.